Hey, Jason here in my office at my home. Today we're going to talk about what is value investing and what it is not, more importantly. To me, I use a broad definition of value investing, which is why I pitch in all my courses and tell everybody on my courses, services, on the website that value investing, the principles and mindset of value investing can be used pretty much in any aspect of life. I'll give you a real world example from my past. I used to sell stuff on eBay and Amazon, toys, clothes, whatever I could find that was undervalued, value investing. For example, I one time was able to find a pair of Giorgio Armani jeans, look brand new, for $5 at a thrift store, and I sold them, if I remember correctly, I think eventually for $80. Now, it was the value of the Giorgio Armani jeans just because they were in a thrift store. Were they really $5, or were they closer to the $100 plus that they're normally worth? Obviously, it was the latter, because I sold them for $80, so I had a $75 profit on that transaction. Another example of value investing is, let's say you're at Walmart or Target. Let's say you're at Target. You see something for one price. You go to the Walmart next store. It has the same exact thing, same exact brand name, but it's cheaper. That is value investing. Buying something lower than its true value, or intrinsic value as we call it in the value investing arena, is value investing, no matter what area of life you are in. Again, those are just a couple real world examples. Another example is, let's say you want to take your kids. I live about an hour away from Disney World. Let's say you want to take your kids to Disney World. I know they give big military discounts because my dad was in the Air Force and I have some friends that are retired Air Force. You can get the big discounts if you're in the Air Force or retired Air Force. So the tickets have a base value of, let's say $500, just to keep numbers simple. $500 to go to Disney World. Take your kids to Disney World. If you're in the retired Air Force, you can get them for, let's say, $250. You're getting these tickets at a 50% discount to their true value. That is another kind of simplistic example of value investing. So to me, value investing you can use all over the world, everyday aspects of your life. As long as you were doing something or buying something or investing in something that you can do and it's worth less than what its true value is, you're value investing. That's it's as simple as that. People like to make things more complicated than they truly are. But to me, value investing is just buying assets, whether it's jeans, whether it's food, whether it's movie tickets, whether it's tickets to Disney World, whether it's public company stocks, whether it's private businesses, whether it's apartment buildings, whatever it is. As long as you're buying underneath what you deem is the company's true value, you're buying here, and the company's true value or the asset's true value is up here. As long as there's some kind of margin of safety that you don't meet, you're value investing. Or another kind of value investing term is buying something at fair value if it's a great asset. Warren Buffett does that a lot. I do that. Not probably as much as I should, because I like a huge margin of safety and discount, which is becoming harder and harder to find with the stock market ever rising and valuations in commercial real estate and multifamily real estate ever rising. That's becoming harder and harder to do. So I haven't bought anything in almost 3 years now. But if you can buy great companies at fair values, at kind of par to what they are worth or near what they are worth in their true value sense, and they continue to grow and they have a massive competitive advantage and they continue to grow, that is also another form of value investing. But in its purest form, value investing is simply buying an asset for this price when it's truly worth this price. That's it. That's value investing. I hope this helps a lot of people out there who were confused about the kind of topic of value investing, because again, a lot of people like to make this more complicated than it is, and to me, that's truly what value investing is.